Hello everyone, Diane Gonzalez, Arbonne Independent Consultant, and I want to thank you for checking into this unique opportunity in this awesome company. I'm excited to introduce you to Arbonne. I will be glancing over here to make sure I stick to my notes. First, I'd like to start with our amazing founder, Peter Morick, a magnificent gentleman who had this dream to build a legacy company of products and opportunity that everyone can flourish from. It is just amazing that he saw that ingredients and products that were on the market in the late 70s, early 80s was not to the quality that he thought was possible. And he went and found that possible. So we're very excited to be here today to be introducing you to this amazing company, which is a legacy. And what's exciting is when you listen to our corporate staff, we were acquired by Youre Cosmetics in France a couple of years ago. And they have designated our CEO, a young gentleman that is just phenomenal, that is right in line with what we wanted to achieve anyway, but they offered the umbrella support for us to achieve it faster. So that's very exciting. Their mission statement is so very close to the Arbonne mission statement. It was a marriage made in heaven. It was really wonderful. On top of that, our founder's son and Youre's son are the two gentlemen in charge of this mesh. So they know what their fathers wanted to take their companies and what they wanted to do. I'm excited because a lot of times when you hear a merger or a takeover, it's not always a pretty situation. This, like I say, is a marriage made in heaven. They do not want to interfere with the good things that we are doing, and they want to improve upon what we can improve upon, and it has really made a difference in our company. The growth has been phenomenal. We are celebrating 40 years of growth, research and development, success, just so exciting. Network marketing was declared a viable business distribution system in the late 60s by the Supreme Court. And what has happened since then is that over 60,000 companies have started under a network marketing banner, and only 10% of those companies have made it past 10 years. So for us to be celebrating 40 years, we are super excited. And when you talk to our corporate office and our umbrella company, they are not thinking of next year or 5 years. They're thinking 25 years, 50 years, hundreds of years. When Peter wanted to build a legacy business, boy, are we right on track, because that is all that we are looking for, is to help everyone flourish and be empowered by this opportunity and these products, and just grow and grow and grow. We are super excited too that recently we were certified as a B Corporation, and I want to show you what is a B Corporation. Certified B Corporations are businesses that meet the highest standards of verified social and environmental performance, public transparency, and legal accountability to balance profit and person. B Corps are accelerating a global culture shift to redefine success in business and build more inclusive and sustainable economy. There are 5 keys to Arbonne's sustainability compass. It's our environmental impact. Our employee welfare is very crucial. Company governance. We have an ethics board that gives us a wonderful guideline to go by, and of course, sticking to that is so crucial. Our customer welfare, which obviously is a huge part of our growth, and our community impact. So we are excited that we have been able to combine all 5 of these keys to build a company that not only is wonderful in the world, but it's wonderful for the world. We're excited about that. Now, What is network marketing? I'm going to one more time come back over here and show you the Arbonne Advantage, the #1 global brand for healthy living inside and out. We were so proud to get this designation from the direct selling authorization. Our parent company is family-owned. Group Youre brings the same passion and promise to help you live better with Arbonne. We are so proud of that. So we are pure, safe, and beneficial. The finest clean ingredients, gluten-free across all product lines. No GMO ingredients, vegan certified, no artificial sweeteners or flavors, no artificial dyes or fragrances. And we get the results. This is what I love. You can get pure and safe products off the market throughout different outlets, but do you get the results? You get, you know, some of those really wonderful botanically named shampoos or shower gels or skincare, and they smell great, but it's full of perfume and you don't get the results you want. Well, with Arbonne, you get both. Results driven, cutting edge research and development, green science, rigorous screening for purity. We not only test our ingredients, but the formulations and the manufacturing. Clinically tested for results. We do not test on animals. We have no animal byproducts and no animal testing. Clinically tested for results is among a very controlled human panel, because our products are made for humans at numerous certifications we're very proud of. Arbonne's not allowed list bans over 2,000 ingredients. The FDA in the United States bans about a dozen. The European Union bans about 1,500. Arbonne's personally produced, not allowed list bans over 2,000 ingredients because of toxic ingredients or questionable side effects that you may get, and just a long line of why we do that. There's something for everyone. Our RE9 Healthy Aging Skincare, botanically based, repair and renew, clinically tested. Arbonne Essentials Nutrition, plant powered. No dairy, soy, or whey. And if you are trying to build a protein supplement, you want to stay away from those 3 products specifically. And then we have an amazing 30 Days to Healthy Living program to reboot your system. It's fantastic. The results are just amazing. We do acne, the baby line, teen, young adults, cosmetics, hair care, sports nutrition, detox spa, and aromatherapy. And it's just a matter, and I do want to point out, we have a 45-day money-back guarantee on every single product. And what you do is you redirect your dollars and earn income. You stop paying retail prices for brand X products. So instead of ordering online from somebody else's website or going to the store and supporting a national chain or whatever, you're buying from your own online store. You start benefiting from the Arbonne's products and save, and then you share by teaching others about Arbonne, and you start making money. Own your life, leverage your time. Share the product. We have amazing, you know, some clients just want to be a retail client. Go either call you and order their products or go on your website and just order, and that's fine. We have a preferred clients order directly from Arbonne. They go on the website, they sign in their preferred client program. They get a 20% to 40% discount. They can earn free shipping, and it is a very generous program that you can earn free products too. So a lot of clients love getting on that, and then the auto ship adds even more benefits. Our Arbonne packs and ships your products, so as an Arbonne consultant, you do not keep inventory. UPS delivers for you. Consumable products equals repeat orders. we have a very, very low attrition rate. Once people get on these products, they see and feel the difference, and you're keeping your clients. So you build a team. You work 10 hours, you get paid 10 hours. And that's it. You get 4 people to work 10 hours. And I don't mean that they have to sit down or you have to sit down and do 10 hours right now. I'm talking about throughout a week. In a week, you do 10 hours. You do 15 minutes here. You wait to pick up the kids at school. You make a few phone calls. You do a Zoom. It's so simple. This process is so simple. And if you do the process, it works for you if you work. You do your 10 hours, you get 4 people to do your 10 hours, and you are getting 50 hours of work in. They each get 4, and you've got another 160 hours, so you've got 210 hours of earning power that you're getting paid for. There's no way one human being can do 210 hours of earning power in a week. You work smarter, not harder. You work, you do the job, you get 4 people to do the job, you're getting paid for 5, they get 4, you've got an extra 16, so you've got 21 consultants on your team that you are getting paid for. I feel like J. Paul Getty may have described this the best when he stated, I'd rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own. In business, you are always in business for yourself, but never by yourself with Arbonne. Corporate support, you have marketing, you have your own website, and you have your My Office tracking to follow your numbers throughout every single day. Team support, system for success, skills, training, partnership, and the Arbonne culture, which is phenomenal. Be your best you, serve your way to the top. We invest in your success. Aside from the amazing resources that Arbonne gives us, our field consultants, other consultants that have walked these steps already, been successful, share their experience freely. We have so many outlets for free training as far as SoundCloud, listening to training, as far as Zooms, as far as YouTube, as far as on your back office, the resources that you have there. It's just a gift. Earn what you're worth. 4 ways to earn: commissions from retail sales, your overrides from the business that your team is doing. Once you get to the 3rd level of management, you get a Mercedes cash bonus. You purchase a white Mercedes and you get a monthly bonus for having that car in your garage. And you can earn monthly manager bonuses at all levels. So this, plus you get amazing trips and prizes. They're constantly awarding us. It's so, so fun. And you leave a legacy. You get to will your business at the area of area manager. You start as an independent consultant, you move to district manager through your team's volume, you grow your team, you move to area manager, and this is where it's willable. You continue to grow your team and help others grow their team that are in your downline, and you become a regional vice president, and that's the Mercedes level, and you continue to grow, and national vice president is the top level, and it is so rewarding, so fantastic. So all you have to do is decide, where do you see yourself? As a preferred client, getting the best products in the world at a discount. As a consultant, you get more discount and you help others and share. As a business builder, you go to work. You really share this company, this opportunity, and these products with more people and build a business, and it is very rewarding. Where does that money come from? The products that you're buying on the shelves in the stores, they're paying for the research and development. You're paying for the manufacturing. You're paying for the storage. You're paying for the inventory. You're paying for the shelf placement. You're paying for the advertisement. You're paying for everything. Well, where other companies pay for all that, Arbonne takes all those funds, puts it back into research and development and us. That's how we get paid. So it's very exciting. And it is so rewarding to help other people build their businesses and have that extra source of income. It makes such a difference in people's lives, whether it's $500 a month or $5,000 or $50,000. And this is the exciting thing. There is no glass ceiling with Arbonne. You can take this as big or as expansive as you want. At this time, we are in the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and Poland. And expansion plans are very near to take that even further. So you get the opportunity to build your business anywhere you want, from your phone, from your laptop, however you want to do it. It's pretty exciting, very flexible. You work it the way you want to work it. And we have so many systems that are so simple. You decide what meshes into your lifestyle the best, and you just take it from there. Just keep doing it, and it grows. So with that said, I hope I've said something that piques your interest. I hope to hear from you. You can certainly private message me. You can send me an email. I'm going to have all my contact info below here in the comments, and I will be excited to hear from anyone who would love to jump on board and take this train as far as you want to go. It's my pleasure and my gift to be able to help others do the same thing that I've been able to do. The only thing that I have to say is that I wish I had started this business earlier. I've used the products for so long, and I waited far too long to do the business, and I'm so glad I did wake up and start the business, and I look forward to helping you do the same. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to hearing from you.